The navigation system in your BMW electric vehicle helps you find public charging stations. Press Navigation and Map to call up the current GPS map data around you. In the menu on the left, select Additional Information and check the box Points of Interest to display points of interest like charging stations. Select Navigation, enter New Destination, Points of Interest, Vehicle Charging Station to look for specific charge points. You can change the search location where to search and add filters, like for example, type of plug. Depending on the market, you can also check a box for a Charge Now charging station. Click on Show Results to find a list of charging possibilities. The list displays real-time data about working charge points. The symbol shows you what type of plug the charging station has. The color of the symbol can show you the current status of a charging station: available, partly occupied, or occupied. Click on the desired charging station and start the route guidance to be guided to the selected station. The Charge Now app can also be used to search for charging stations. Just open the Charge Now app and a map showing the location of public charging stations near your current location is displayed. Select a specific charging station to show details like provider, charging current, and occupancy status. In the app, you can also search for charging stations in specific locations. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.